Hi, my name is Nidula Gunatilaka and I'm a final year student at IIT. So this is my final year project which is called the Promotion Bundler. It's a system that helps ease the bundle promotion process. So to give you a quick overview of it, the main problem that I have found out in the industry is that there's a lack of third-party bundle promotions in the retail industry. So what I found out is companies are lacking in the amount of bundle promotions that are being conducted due to various number of reasons of these third-party bundle promotions. So to give a background about this project, the industry I'm looking into will be electronics and accessories. The domain that I'll be looking out will be retail marketing and third-party or complementary bundles. The theoretical aspects that I'll be covering will be marketing, bundle promotions, recommendations, and calculations. So to give a quick idea of what the problem statement looks like, there are few reasons as to why the industry is lacking in the bundle promotions. So there can be less number of suppliers for the marketers to choose from, less number of marketers for the suppliers to produce these products to, a lack of B2B bundling happening, sales may reduce on the popular products that is bundled. There are no basic online platforms for companies to meet these suppliers. All these processes are conducted manually, where you have to go through amples of emails and phone calls. There is no specific designers for these bundle promotions. There are no vendor evaluation reports, and also the risk of contacting with these third-party vendors. So let me just give you a quick demo on how the platform works. So this will be my welcome page, where I'll be welcoming all the types of stakeholders, including the system admin here. So once I click on the marketer, I'll be able to see if you do not have an account, I'll be able to register here, or even I can enter my email address and password if I've already registered. So if I want to register, I'll enter these details. If I can upload my profile picture, and company info, I can update my company information here. So once that is done, I can register as a marketer. So next, I'll be logging in as a already registered marketer. So once I log in, the first thing I'll be seeing is this dashboard. So initially, this is what I'll be seeing, the profiles page, where I can see the profile image I have uploaded along with the other details I have added, and also the company logo if I have added that. Next, I'll be showing how does the marketer upload his products. So he first goes to this manage company products, and then he'll be able to see all the products that he has uploaded. So currently I've already uploaded some products that marketers love to upload. So this is a phone marketer, like a phone company marketer. So if I want to add new product, I click on this add product, and I'll be able to add in the details as per like this. So I'll be able to add in these credentials and then click on submit. So once it gets submitted, it will be listed on this page here again. So if I want to edit the details on a current product, I can click on edit, and then if I want to change the price here, I'll be changing it to 170,000, and then I can click on submit. Once that is done, it will be loaded. Yes, it will be updated here. So since this is a bundle promotion process, this view will be again available to the supplier as well, where he can add or edit his products as well. So that I'll be showing you in a while of how the suppliers are able to add their products. So after this is done, we are able to see the products that are added by the supplier. So these are all the list of products added by each and every supplier. So say all of these are listed like this, and then if we want to go and view a single product, we can go and click on one. So for instance, I'll be clicking on this JBL Flip 5, and I'll be view the product. So once I view, it will initially show me the product image, the product name, and all the other necessary credentials that are available on this. So along with that, I'll be having an option called request for a quotation and also view bundle price with. So what request for quotation will do is I'll be able to add the quantity here, So let's say I want 100, and then I'll be able to request for a quotation of this number of products to this particular supplier, that is Kevin Fernando. So once I click this request, the quotation will be created to that particular supplier. So next, what I'll be showing you is how the marketer is able to see these bundle prices. So as you can see, this is the JBL Flip 5. So from this drop down, I'll be able to click a product of what the marketer has. So for instance, if I want to check with the iPhone XR and the JBL, the bundle price, click on it, and this is the price that I will be getting. So just like the supply products, there is another type called bundled recommendations. This is the most vital page of the whole platform. So when I go to it initially, there is nothing listed. But what I want to find is all the recommended types of products the marketers have based on what the suppliers have uploaded. So these are all the list of marketers products that have been added. So if I want to select a single marketer's product, let's say 1+8, then I'll be getting a recommendation like this based on the products of what the suppliers have added. These are all the products that are closely associated with the product that I have chosen from here. So again, like the supplier's product, I'll be able to view the product, request for the quantity, request for bundle pricing, and I'll be able to see the images, description, bundle pricing, and also request for quantity as said before. So when I go to request quotations, that is where I'll be seeing all the quotations that I have requested for. So when I go there, this is everything I have listed before, and here as we can see, I requested for JBL Flip 5, Kevin Fernando, and the quantity as 100, and we can see that the request has been sent but the quotation has not been received. So this is what I'll be seeing. So if I want to view the supplier again, I can click on the supplier name here, and I can see all the details necessary and about any ratings that he has been provided previously. So so I have made a note that I'll be able to only rate this supplier only once an order is being placed. So back to request for quotation. So once I see this, I'll be able to see view order status. So when I click on that, I'll be able to see this request ID, product, supplier, quantity, quotation status as sent, but the quotation was not received. So I'll log out as marketer, and then I'll be able to log in as a supplier. So if I go to Kevin Fernando's account, again, it's also a simple dashboard that I've been presented with, again, a profile page and all of that, and then manage products like I showed on the marketer side, the product list, and also requested quotations. These are all the quotations requested by different types of people. So the final one which I had requested was the JBL Flip 5 by Samantha, the marketer, and with a quantity of 100. So I'm having the possibility to either accept or reject this. So I want to accept this quotation. So then I want to click accept, and then I'll be able to view order status. So once I view order status, I'll be seeing all these details, quotation request status as accepted as just what I did. And if I want to send the quotation to this particular marketer from the supplier's end, I click on the choose file, and then I will want to click on a quotation. So in this case, I'll be just clicking this image, and it will be sent to that particular marketer. So I'll log out again, log in as the marketer, and then I'll be going to request quotations, go to JBL Flip 5, and see the quotation status has changed to received. So when I go to view order status, I'll see the quotation, and it will be able to open this quotation here. So once I click on that, I'll be able to view this image that the supplier has sent. In the other cases, it will be the quotation that the supplier has sent to me. So that is how I'll be seeing the quotation. So if this marketer is interested in this quotation, he want to place an order. So if I want to place an order, I'll be accepting the action from here as place the order. So once that is done, status change to accepted, and I'll be able to view the invoice only once the supplier sends it to me. So let me just show you again the supplier's side. So once I go to request for quotations again, I'll see. Now I'll be able to, it's shown as accepted. Now I'll be able to send the invoice to the marketer. So I'll choose the file, and so let's just add an image again, and it will be automatically sent to the particular marketer. So then again, go to the marketer, and then I'll be able to go to request for quotations and view order status, and then I'll be able to see the invoice here once I click on it. So this plays a major role when you're determining for designs. So you can go to that tab, and then you'll be able to fill in these. So let's say you want the design type. Let's say first of all I need advertisement design, and then I choose a number of images as 3, the total pay range between 10,000 to 20,000 between this particular date. So then I submit, and then it's set onto my table as the designer have sent, and this particular design will be sent to all designers available on this platform. So if for instance I'll log into a designer and show you. So once I log into this designer and view this, see it's been sent here as advertisement design. So from here I'm able to accept it. So once I click accept, it will be accepted, and it will change its status to accepted, and it will show here as the accepted one. And next, again from the marketer side, I'll be able to see. So once I see that, so what ideally should happen is there will be a list of designers who have accepted. So what the marketer can do is he can select the designer he wants by maybe checking his profile and viewing, okay, this guy is good, he can select this designer, and then maybe choose that designer, choose the images that he wants to send, choose the price that he's going to give, the final price, because earlier we sent a range, and then we can send our email address so that he can send his details to that email address. So once you submit it, it's updated and it's sent to the designer again. So next I can show you is the other features that the marketer will have. So the marketer will be able to see a particular dashboard that he'll be interested in viewing as something like this, as one card showing personal performances that are the number of quotations he has requested, the invoices that he has received, overall the number of orders he has placed, and also the designs received by different types of designers. Next, he can see the rankings that are available on the platform. So these are the rated suppliers, who rated designers, and also the rewards that he has received. These rewards are based on the performance that he has done. So for instance, he has placed 21 quotations. So if there is a number where he has placed of more than 15 quotations, he will receive this 3% of discount when he's placing an order. And when he has requested for designs of more than 7, he gets a free design. So that's basically it from the platform itself. So let me just give you a brief recap, is that the most important stakeholder on this platform will be the marketer, because what I'm doing is trying to support the marketer in his role in trying to improve these third-party bundles. So the other suppliers and graphic designers are both supporting roles to this marketer. So that is basically it from the platform. So hope you understood the process flow of how this works, and I ensure that the platform was understood thoroughly. So that's it from me. Thank you.